I'm BrianJBWorrell, your real estate broker with Greater Investments Real Estate. I'm here at our single-family project in Mattapan, a house that was bought at the foreclosure auction. Just wanted to share with you the current renovations that are taking place, and in the future videos will have the progress. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and comment below. I want to hear what your ideas are for what we should do here, and also what you think of what we have done. You know, if you like the color of the paint, if you like the layout, let us know. Or if you think we should do something different with the layout of the paint, let us know as well. But before we take a tour inside, let's take a look at the neighborhood. The neighborhood consists of mostly single-family homes. Pride of home ownership is also evident in this area. The street is off of two main roads, so you do get a little bit of traffic. However, the neighborhood is relatively quiet. Now let's go take a look on the inside. So our goal here was to maximize the living area. So what you're looking at now is the old kitchen and the porch. We'll be moving the old kitchen into the porch area and increasing the porch area to get more space for the kitchen. The new kitchen will now be the dining room or eating area, which is leading into the living room. We'll have hardwood floors throughout. We're gonna paint the walls a neutral color and then recessed lights throughout the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. There's 3 bedrooms on the main floor. The bedrooms on the main floor are not the largest bedrooms. That's why we found it important to extend the living area. But this is one of the biggest bedrooms. We'll also be extending the living area by finishing the basement. This is one of the bedrooms, or one of the rooms in the basement area. The basement is gonna have a bedroom. In this corner right here, we're gonna have, on this wall right here, we're gonna have a full bathroom with a stand-up shower. And we're gonna turn the garage into a bedroom. And thanks for tuning in. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more progress. Until next time, happy hunting.